cerebellum is thrown into folds. Okay? These are what we call the arbor vitae, also known as the folds. Okay? Arbor, A-R-B-O-R. Another word is vitae, curriculum vitae. Okay? So they are thrown into folds, and it is made up of, again, an outer cortex. This one is an outer cortex of gray matter, and an inner medulla. Okay? Ano yung medulla natin? That is the medulla. Okay? So another class, this one is the gray matter, the outer gray, or the cortex, and an inner medulla, made up of white matter. Now the cerebellar cortex, the outermost layer is known as the molecular layer. The molecular layer is composed of nerve fibers. This one class. This one is the molecular layer. And next is the granular layer from here. So this one is the molecular layer, and this class is the granular layer. And inside, you can see this one, that is the white matter or the medulla. Okay? So, what's the matter? The white matter, sabi ni Dr. Valera. Now, does it matter, the white or the gray matter? Please focus on a higher power between the molecular and the granular layer. So what you can see here are these very fat flask-shaped appearance. Parang yung lumabas ng pintuan. Sino yung lumabas ng pintuan? Yan, okay. This is not the Valera cell, but we call it the Purkinje cell. Okay? These are described as a single layer of Purkinje cells. We call this the Purkinje cell layer, composed of Purkinje cells. Where do you find the Purkinje fibers? Very good. Mr. Santos, kahit late ka, ha? Now, the Purkinje cell is a characteristic cell. And it is described as flask-shaped, with an oval nucleus, and an acidophilic cytoplasm. Okay? So where do you find this layer? It is found between the granular and the molecular layer at the outer cortex of your cerebellum. So this is called the Purkinje cell. Kaya klaseng Purkinje fiber ang tawag natin sa heart. Okay, this one. These are very large cells. Now again, the medulla, if you focus it on high power, you will see that it is composed of your myelinated nerve fibers. Okay. And neuroglial cells. Mas mahirap ang ginagawa ko, kaya please bear with me. So this one, this layer is your granular. Next will be the molecular. And inside this one is the medulla. Okay? Mas maganda i-focus siya on MTO so you can appreciate all the layers. But if you want to appreciate the cells, you focus it on high power. Okay? So So again, punta kayo sa dulo. This one, you can see the granular layer. This one last, the molecular layer. And in between these two, you can appreciate the Purkinje cell layer. Focus it on high power to see the flask-shaped characteristic cells. And then this one, you go inner, so you can see that is the white matter or the cerebellar medulla, which is composed of your nerve fibers, mostly nerve fibers. Okay? We have 2 more slides, kaya bilisan na natin. Number 19.